Hi, this is Sean from HP Real Estate, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to stay living in your home while it's on the market. Recently I received some questions about how to live in your home while it's on the market, and here's some of my tips. My first one is to start packing now. You could ask a family friend to possibly use their garage to store some stuff, or you could even just rent a storage unit to get rid of some of the stuff that's sitting around that's cluttering up your home. So my second tip is to declutter, to sell stuff or give stuff away, just so that you're not having to deal with a lot of extra stuff around your house that's just in the way. So my third tip is going to be for you to do a deep clean. You want to get everything cleaned up so that it's ready to be shown, ready for open houses, and that's going to be really important for when you have potential clients come into your home. Okay, so my fourth tip is for you to make sure that all your valuables are safe. You could either put them store them in a safe, or have them in a drawer, and make sure that you don't leave out any medications, and those are all put away, since you're going to have people in your house and there's a possibility that they're going to be looking through some of your guys' stuff. And my fifth tip is to try to make it fun. You can maybe include your kids and make games of it and try to get them to help clean up as well. It's going to be a stressful period, so you want to try to make it as lighthearted and as fun as possible. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions about the selling process, or any questions about anything to do with real estate, we'd love to hear from you, and we'd love to make a video to answer any of your questions. Thank you.